Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel, where we're going to be discussing how to use the TenKei Total Profit Target Part 1 revised. So I trust we have some better sound, better recording. So some things I want to show you, such as let's go back and look again excuse me, at the TenKei Total Profit Target, which is over here. Now, I say over here because this is where I put it. I have at present two charts, which would be the Germany daily chart and the Germany 1 minute chart. So it clearly says here daily, and it says here M1, which means it's a 1 minute chart. Now, if I was to just show you over here, let's drag this out from here. Drag it down. Let's see where it goes. We can see here time frames, and you have M1, which is a 1 minute chart as it shows, M5, which is a 5 minute chart, M15, 15 minute chart, M30, a 30 minute chart, H1, a 1 hourly chart, H4, a 1 hourly chart, D1, a daily chart, W1, a weekly chart, and MN, a monthly chart. Okay, that's that. Let's put this away. Let's close that. Well, it's come down here now, but I'm going to put it away. Watch this. Drag this, put it back over there. But really what we want to talk about, and there's so many ways to come in and out of this, which I'll be showing you about what this padlock means, etc. But for now, we're going to be looking at the TenKei Total Profit Target again. Once again, to show you to get into the TenKei, well, the EA, the Total Profit Target, or TPT, we'll call it TPT for now. You simply click here on the smiley face. Smiley face opens up the chart, this window here, and as mentioned before, to close this, if you are already in a trade, for instance, we didn't place a trade. This EA over here placed a trade for us. It went short. It gave us 9.6 points, and then it's stopped out. And we just got another. We want a total of 12.5 points or pips. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Now, when closing this chart, this window down, what you want to do is not close it here, because if you close it here, if you OK it, it will reset this, the TenKei Total Profit Target, and it'll reset it back to 0. So the current pips, profit loss, is plus 9.6. If we press this, it'll go back to 0. So you don't really want to do that. But if you do that, you know you've got 9.6 and you make an error, and you press this button here, what you need to do, because you're after 12.5, you say 12.5 minus 9.6 equals, do that again, 12.5 minus 9.6 equals 2.9. So if you inadvertently press this button here, which sets this back to 0, all you'd need to do is set your inputs. Let's just go over here. In your inputs, set your total profit target to 2.9, which means you click here, type in 2.9, and then you are back in business. So once it gets into a trade for you, or if you do your trade manually, which we'll be going through again, once it gets into a trade for you, then once it hits 2.9 in your favor, either going long or going short, everything will shut down. So what it means is this auto trading function will shut down and no more trades will be placed. Okay, so I'm going to stop there for now because it's one bite size at a time. Okay, we shall return. Thank you.